What if your client's curls could look this hydrated, defined, and full of movement? Hi, I'm Aishia Strickland, curl specialist and educator, and today I'm walking you through how to choose the right products for your tight curl clients. Whether you're a stylist looking to refine your approach or you just want to understand how product selection impacts results, this step-by-step breakdown will help you deliver professional, lasting results behind the chair. This is one of the most common challenges I see stylists struggle with: understanding how to match a client's hair behavior and lifestyle to the right product lineup. Before I ever pick up a shampoo bottle, I start with a deep assessment: my client's challenges, their product habits, and the results they've been getting at home. My client today is a former braid girly turned wash and go lover. Most of her natural hair life was spent in braids, but now she's committed to prioritizing the health and overall condition of her curls. She keeps a consistent routine, using a rosemary and peppermint spray for her scalp, layering creams and oils for moisture, and occasionally steaming her hair to bring it back to life. During our consultation, she shared what her typical routine looks like, and as I ran my fingers through her strands, I could feel a slight waxy, oily film. In my experience, the buildup left behind by her current routine is known to block moisture, making it harder for her hair to fully hydrate. She's fine texture, medium high density, with a smooth and silky surface texture and a few coarser areas, all which play a role in the products that I will choose to use on her hair today. My goal for this session is to remove as much of the buildup as possible so that her hair not only looks healthy but feels hydrated, soft, and brand new. With all the buildup and oils, I started with Malibu Un-Do-Goo, my go-to clarifying shampoo for clients who need a clean start. Because of the nature of the buildup present on her hair, I had to shampoo twice. The first cleanse barely lathered, which told me right away that hair was heavily coated. This is why it's so important to perform a proper consultation before getting started. It allows you to identify what's happening with the hair and choose the necessary tools to do the job, like Malibu Un-Do-Goo. Next, I use Malibu Hard Water Wellness Hair Remedy. Now here in Chicago, we're right next to one of the Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, which is beautiful, but it also means our water comes with a healthy dose of hard water minerals. All that copper, calcium, and iron can latch onto the hair, leaving it dry, dull, and resistant to moisture. This treatment helps lift those minerals away so the hair can actually drink up hydration again. After finishing the Malibu Hard Water Wellness, I evaluated her hair and determined that it was clean enough and ready for moisture. I decided to use Redken Acidic Bonding for curls for its treatment and hydration properties, helping to rebuild strength, restore elasticity, and add softness back into her curls. Once her hair was fully cleansed, it was time to rebuild and rehydrate. Because my client had been using oils and creams, I wanted to make sure I incorporated Redken Acidic Moisture Concentrate to restore the deep moisture her hair had been missing. To elevate the experience, I layered in Pureology Hydrate Conditioner, not just for its incredible slip, but for the way it awakens the senses with that aromatic, tingly peppermint sensation. This combination delivers softness, shine, and that I can't stop touching my hair moment every client loves. Her blonde looked brighter, healthier, and her curls instantly had more bounce and flexibility. And together, these two conditioners made detangling effortless. The detangling brush just glided through, revealing hydrated, manageable curls ready for styling. Now for the fun part, styling. My goal was to give her hydration, movement, and lightweight touchable hold, something she never experienced in her wash and goes. I began with the Mika Hydro Rush leave-in conditioner to prep and prime, then layered Verb Curl Foaming Gel to add extra slip without oversaturating. Next came We Dye Advanced Climate Control Gel to lock in moisture while blocking humidity, followed by We Dye Moisture Lock Gel to seal the style with flexible, frizz-free holds. Layering intentionally like this allows each formula to perform as intended without competing or creating buildup. Once the hair was dry, I like to break the gel cast with Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Glossing Oil. Breaking the cast with this glossing oil gives the hair a lightweight finish with incredible shine and softness, bringing those curls to life while keeping them touchable and defined. The result? Soft, hydrated curls with movement, flexibility, and a healthy, luminous finish. A wash and go she didn't think was possible. Hydration is the goal for every curl service, and every product used today, from clarifier to finisher, supported that goal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SalonCentric education, and shop all these products in store or online at SalonCentric.com. Tight curl clients deserve hair that doesn't just look healthy, it should feel alive, hydrated, and full of confidence.